Good morning everyone. Mamta Nehra welcome you in storytelling class. Today we will listen the story about the crane and the crab. So students, get ready for the story. Once a large number of fish lived in a pond. One year no rains fell. It became very hot and dry. The pond started drying up. There was a clever crane. It went to the fish. Crane spoke, "Dear friends, I am very sorry for you. There is not much water in your pond. Soon there won't be any water at all. You will die." Fish spoke, "It is true." Crane spoke, "Of course it is." Another fish spoke, "What will happen to us all?" Crane spoke, "I know of another pond with a lot of water. Come with me and I'll take you there." Fish spoke, "But how can we believe you?" Crane spoke very politely, "Let me take one of you to the other pond and show it to you. Then all of you will believe me." The fish agreed and sent one of them with the crane. The crane showed the pond to the fish and the two returns. Fish spoke, "I have seen the pond. It is lovely and has a lot of water too. We will all be happy there." All the fishes, "Let's go there. Let's go to our new house." Crane spoke, "I'll take you all there one by one." All the fishes, Thank you so much. You are such a good friend." The crane took a fish in its beak and flew away. But this time it did not take the fish to the pond. It flew to a tree, sat on a branch and ate the fish up. In the way the crane ate up all the fishes in the pond. Crane, "How clever am I? The foolish fish, they never got to know my plan." There were now no fish left in the pond, but there was a crab. The greedy crane went to the crab. Crane spoke, "Shall I take you to the other pond?" Crab spoke, "All right, but don't take me in your beak. I may fall down. Let me hold on to your neck." The crane agreed. The crab caught hold on the neck of the crane with its claws. The crane rose from the ground and flew towards the tree. The crab felt afraid. Crab spoke, "Where are you going? What do you want to do with me?" Crane, "Ha ha ha ha. You fool. I am going to eat you like I ate up all the fish." But the crab was also very clever like the crane. He held the crane's neck very tightly. The crane fell down and the crab had a nice meal for days to come. So students, it's true tit for tat. Thank you students.